you can say site is there. Let me take you to that site. कौन सा कंपनी मैंने गया मैं गया देखो एक very good website is there, that name is finance.yahoo.com. okay, if you want to get some kind of financial information, then you need to go to this particular site. What is this site? finance.yahoo.com. otherwise you search in the Google Yahoo Finance, automatically this site will come to you and you click there. Okay, so there search for news, symbol and companies. You type any kind of company which you want to study. So I just put Tata Motors Limited. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you go to the Tata Motors historical data, financials, let us go to the financials. Cash flow, quarterly balance sheets, income profile, analysis, no, statistics. बेटा आप कितना देख रहे हो ये पे?
0.62.
0.62. Okay, this beta is only 0.62. ठीक है, तो उसका मतलब क्या है? Now you will make a comparison with the beta of the market with the market beta कितना है?
1.
Now if the market is moving 1 unit upward, how much this stock will move up?
0.62.
0.62.
So if the market is going down by 1 unit, how much this stock will go down?
0.62.
0.62. That means market से जब ऊपर जाएगा ना मार्केट से कम जाएगा, जब नीचे जाएगा मार्केट तो मार्केट से भी कम जाएगा वो. ओके, जितना मार्केट डाउन होगा उससे वो कम मार्केट से डाउन होगा. That means 0.62 will go down by 0.62. That means if the market is losing 1 rupee, how much rupees lost by Tata Motors, the holder of the Tata Motors? Only 0.62.
0.62.
Are you getting my point? If the market is moving up, if the market is giving you 1 rupee, how much it is giving you? How much this stock is giving you? Only 62 paisa. Okay. So that means if I ask you what is the sensitivity of this stock, what will you say? The sensitivity of the stock is 0.62 or the beta of the stock is 0.62. So these kind of stocks are known as regressive stocks, or they are not risky stocks. Okay, they are not risky stocks. Likewise, last time, this is about Infosys Limited I showed you. So if I say the same Tata Motors, how much beta is showing here?
2.17.
2.17. This is highly risky one. This is highly risky one. So if the market is moving 1 unit up, how much the stock is moving?
2.17.
2.17 unit. When the market is going down by 1 unit, the stock will go down by how much unit?
2.17.
It's more than the market. So the sensitivity of the stock is high or low?
High.
Very high, very high. So if you want to touch this stock, if you want to buy this stock, you have to be a very risky, risk-taking investor. You have to be a risk taker. Those who can take risk, they can go for this kind of stock. Okay? But if it is 0.62, the sensitivity of the stock is what then? If the beta is 0.62, what is the sensitivity of the stock? Yes. What is the sensitivity of the stock if the beta is 0.62? What is the sensitivity? Last time you said that the sensitivity is high. Here the sensitivity will be low.
Low.
Okay. The sensitivity will be low. What happened, Barsa? Look at the screen. Focus on the lecture. Do not focus anywhere else. Okay, even though you are at your home. Take care of yourself. Okay? Got my point? Okay. So now, if I ask you to find out the return of the stock, you can find out. Can you remember the way we have found out the return of a stock? Hello? Hello? अरे पता होगा तुमको? If I ask you to find out the return of a stock, can you find out? कैसे निकालोगे? बोलो बोलो बोलो. अरे एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न नहीं, हिस्टोरिकल रिटर्न कैसे निकालोगे? हिस्टोरिकल रिटर्न कैसे निकालोगे? Who is saying this one? Isa? Isa, are you saying this or who is saying?
No, sir, I'm not saying.
Then who is saying this? Huh? Kritisri. Yeah, this is the way you found out the return of a particular stock. How did you find out the return of a stock? Yeah, Akarsan. Can you tell me how do you find out the return of a stock? क्या अफसाना बड़ी हंसी आ रही है तुमको? क्या हुआ? Akarsan, tell me.
Sum of all observation by n.
Sum of observation by n. What sum of observation? If sum of observation by n,
We will get average return we will get.
average return. Did I ask you to find out the average return? I asked you to give me the return of a day's return or weekly return or.
So P1 minus P0 by P0 into 100.
इतना देर तक आप समझ के, इतना देर सोच के आप ये बोल रहे हो. The correct answer is coming after a long time of thinking and after giving me so much of hints also. ठीक है. So that is the return of any particular stock. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I ask you to find out the return from the market, I ask you to find out the return from the market, otherwise market return. अभी market portfolio मैंने क्या लिया? What I have taken as a market portfolio? Hello?
Nifty 50.
Nifty 50. Very good. अरे एक ही वही बोल रही है और कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, खाली देख रहे हो बैठ के. Nifty 50 is my market portfolio. Very good. If I ask you to find out the return from the daily return of the market portfolio, what will you do? कैसे निकालोगे? बोलो. अरे गलत हो या सही हो, बोलने से क्या प्रॉब्लम?
Sir, today's price minus yesterday's price by yesterday's price into 100.
By yesterday's price into 100. The same thing, same
100.
listen, same formula will be put over there. P1 minus P0 divided by P0 into 100. But how to find out this one? How to find out this one? This Nifty 50 value, what is the value of Nifty 50 today?
15,000.
131. Then there must be some historical data of Nifty 50 or the market portfolio?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what shall I do right now? I'll go to the Nifty 50 here. Now you see what am I doing? This Nifty 50. Market data indices. ये क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? पहले जाओ मार्केट डेटा को, मार्केट डेटा. देन यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? इंडाइसेस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here in the indices. In the indices, now you see so many indices are there. First is what?
Nifty 50.
Nifty 50. Nifty 50 का अभी वैल्यू जा रहा है जितना, करंट इतना है, ओपन इतना है, वो हो गया 1 month ago. अभी क्या करेंगे? उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे. क्लिक करने के बाद अभी आ जाएगा, लिसन 1 minute. This is the historical data. कहाँ गया रे? Nifty 50. Sorry. मार्केट डेटा इंडाइसेस तो आ जाना चाहिए. क्या हुआ? Nifty 50 ओपन हो गया. इस पे ब्रॉड मार्केट इंडाइसेस. देख रहे हो निफ्टी 50 में कितना स्टॉक्स है? देखो. डू यू सी और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
These are the stocks which are included in the Nifty 50. All these good stocks are there. Just a minute, I'm getting some problem over here. Indices. देखो यहाँ पे जब प्रोडक्ट आप क्लिक करोगे ना, इसका दो साइट है, एक साइट इस साइट में मैं ठीक से आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट इट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द प्रीवियस ओल्डर साइट nseindia.com. If you click there, you will come to products. If you click the product, now you will come to the indices. The moment you are clicking indices, you are coming to this page. It is written here what? Current market reports. It is written here what? What is written?
Historical data.
Historical data. Now you click here historical index data. Okay. And if you click historical index data, it will take you to this particular page, Nifty 50. So many indices are there, but I want Nifty 50. Select a time period. So let us say that 7 days we are taking. Okay. 7 days means today is how much? 11th February 2021. Okay. So I'll go ahead with 4th February. 4th February 2021 to today, that is 11th February 2021. Then you click here, get data. What you have got here? What you have got? What you have got here? Open, high, low. These are the historical data for Nifty 50. Open, high, low, close. So I will take only the closing values. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what will be the return of Nifty 50 on 5th February? What will be the return of Nifty 50 on 5th February? Can anybody tell me? हिसाब करके बताओ. Afsana? Afsana, can you tell me
Yes, yes, sir.
what will be the return of Nifty 50 on 5th February? कोई बता सकता है कितना रिटर्न होगा 5th फरवरी का निफ्टी का? हेलो.
0.19.
0.19.
0.19%.
0.19.
Yes, sir.
कैसे निकाले आप?
So closing
1,
value of 5th February minus closing value of 4th February by closing value of 4th February into 100.
So 0.194.
0.194. Okay, 14895 into 65 minus 1. 0.192 आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
0.192. Very
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you can find out. You see, these are not the prices; these are the values. These are the values. So likewise, the next day, 5th February, 8th February का return कितना होगा? 1515.80 minus 8th February का return कैसे निकालेंगे? हेलो. अरे 8th फरवरी का रिटर्न कैसे निकालेंगे? कैसे निकालेंगे? हेलो.
So closing value of 8th February minus closing value of 5th February by closing value of 5th February into 100.
अरे वो वैल्यू मुझे बताओ यार. खाली क्लोजिंग वैल्यू
0.4924.25.
है.
15,115.8 minus 14,924.25
हाँ
by 15,115.8.
515 कैसे हो जाएगा? 15 पे 115 तो तुम्हारा P1 हो गया ना।
Sorry, P0 14,924.25.
हाँ तो ऐसे ऐसे हिसाब किताब करोगे तो कैसे बेड़ा पार हो
Sorry, sir.
जाएगा। फैकल्टी का पूरा
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
बैंड।
So
1.28.
1.283.
1.28.
1.283.
Very good, 1.8. So that means the return has gone up by you have got a positive return, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, in this way you can find out the return from which one? Return from the market portfolio. Do you get my point? All of you?
Yes, sir.
This is the way you can get the return from a market portfolio. The way we have got the return from a particular share. So in the share you will find here the prices, but in the portfolio, market portfolio, you will not find the price. Here you will find only the value. These are the values. They do not have any denomination. But in a particular share, the denomination is in price. Okay. But our job is to find out the return of that portfolio. Clear? Now you get the return of the portfolio and you get the return of a particular share. Can you have already found out the return of that particular share in the very first class? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you have all the return with you in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the returns in the very for all these 5 days or 7 days? What are the returns? Can you tell me one by one? Yes. Tell me the return one by one.
The 5.16 first day.
5.16. Yes. Next.
6.28.
6.28. Next.
5.71.
5.71. Next.
Minus 0.43.
Minus 0.43. Next.
Minus 3.53.
Minus 3.53. ओके ठीक है। अभी इसका जो निकाल रहे हो आप, अभी पोर्टफोलियो का रिटर्न जो अब निकाले, पहला रिटर्न था कितना? 0.192, करेक्ट? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो नेक्स्ट का रिटर्न कितना था?
1.283.
1.283. Let us say that next is suppose 3.25 or 26. Next is minus 0.78. Then next is minus 2.5. Let us say that. And remember, when you are finding out the return of a stock and the return of a portfolio, the dates you need to take the same. Hello? Same date you have to take. Yes or no? Because you are making a comparison. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to find out the return of the historical data of Nifty 50 from 4th February 2021 to 10th February 2021, in the similar manner, I'll also take a stock from 4th February 2021 till 10th February 2021 for a comparison. Do you get my point? Hello? When you are making a comparison of the returns of the particular stock and return from a portfolio, the date must be same. Otherwise, how can you make a comparison? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the date which we had taken last time is something in the January. Yes?
So 18 to 27 January.
18 to 27 January, but this is what 4th February to 10th February 2021. So they are not equal. So we'll find out, or you find out the return from this 4th February to 10th February, and accordingly you find out the return of the portfolio by with the same day. Now in one axis, now my job is to see whether return of a particular stock and return of a particular portfolio, that market portfolio, how they are moving each other. That beta is nothing but the sensitivity. which we have already talked of? Yes? Hello? Beta is nothing but
Yes,
the
sir.
sensitivity or not?
Yes, sir.
Beta is nothing but the sensitivity. So we have already discussed about the sensitivity here. So, and beta says how a particular stock will move in accordance with whom? In accordance with the market. Very good. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? Huh? How will I make the screen large here? Oh. Screen stops here. Okay. Yes. Very good. So that means what? Now you have found out the return from a stock. Return from a stock or return from a stock means suppose the stock may be J. What I have written here? RJ. Yes. Return from the stock you can find out, everybody, by taking the price of the stock from the market, and you can find out the return from the stock. Likewise, return from the market also you can find out the way we have seen how the portfolio return will be found out. That return from the portfolio can be found out. Yes or no? Okay. क्या हुआ ऐसा? बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है ना ठीक ठाक चल रहा है? ईसा, are we going smooth or
Yes, sir.
is it getting difficult for you to understand?
नहीं sir, ठीक है.
ठीक है. Okay. ठीक है. So now the return from the market is there and return from the particular stock is there. Now I will plot the return from the stock and return from the market, okay, in a graph. What the sensitivity says? The sensitivity says that how a particular stock is moving in relation to whom?
Market portfolio.
To the market.
To the market portfolio. So that is the reason why if I am taking RA here and RJ this side. Hello? Do you understand my point? And remember 2 points, if you don't get two return, how can you form a coordinate here? How can you form a coordinate? So now what shall I do? I'm just drawing a line like this. Let us say that I'm drawing a line like this, or like this. I'm drawing a line. So this is what kind of line?
Linear.
Linear.
Linear. This is a straight line. Very good. And this line says about the relationship between RJ and RM. Yes? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that means if I do like this, likewise, so what do you see here? Anybody can tell me what this is? What this is?
90 degree.
This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree means what should I say this one? This is upon what? What upon what? Yes, this is what upon what? The 90 degree what you say, what is that? What upon what?
Hypotenuse
RM by
base.
RJ है ना?
Somebody says something.
So hypotenuse by base.
Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base means it creates which kind of angle, and what is that known as?
Right angle.
The tangent.
Right angle. But is it tan theta or not?
Yes, sir, tangent.
Yes.
Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base creates tan theta or not? And this tan theta is nothing but your what then?
So,
This tan theta is nothing but your what? This is what then? This is, I say that this is rise. This is rise. And this much I say
increase.
run. Rise by run equal to my tan theta. Equal to my tan theta. And this tan theta is nothing but, can you tell me what this tan theta tells about what is otherwise known as? What it tells? What it tells? This is a linear equation. What this tan?
Correlation coefficient.
What it tells?
Positive rise.
This is a positive rise. Very good. This is a positive rise. Otherwise, this tan theta is nothing but what? The way you say that it is positive rise, that means it is sloping
Upwards.
upward. So tan theta is nothing but my what?
Slope.
Of the line.
Slope. It is the slope of the line.
Slope of the-
It is the slope of the line. Do you get my point? Tan theta is my slope of the line. This slope of the line is nothing but my beta. This slope of the line is nothing but my beta. Is it not like Rm to Rj? Na? How much Rj is moving in comparison to Rm? If Rm is moving this much, hello? Hello? Did anybody say anything to me? Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I think that theta angle position that you have given, that should be in the foot of that ना 1090 हो जाएगा वो तो infinity है मतलब थीटा का वो पोजीशन चेंज करना है आपको वो acute angle 45 में होगा वो acute के पोजीशन में दीजिए
क्या acute angle होगा? What you are saying?
सर that theta would be at that position ना the slope का पोजीशन में 90 के पोजीशन में थोड़ी होगा
Yes, sir. Tan 90 will be infinity, sir.
You are saying at this position.
yes sir theta
Right. So this is nothing but my what then? This is my slope. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the slope of a line is nothing but my beta or the sensitivity of a stock. Fine. So if I put it in an equation, this equation will be this line. You see this line, which equation I have written here, this line is known as which line it is known as? Which line?
Characteristic line.
Characteristics line. This line is characteristics line. So the characteristics line tells us about the beta, and the characteristics line also is nothing but this is a line of what kind of linear equation or a straight line? The equation of a straight line is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. Hello. The equation of a straight line is what?
y equals to mx plus c
Y is equal to mx plus c. So here, if I say y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, this c is what?
0
Constant.
This c is constant. I am coming to the equation right now. C is constant. So y and x are what? Y and x are what?
Sir,
Variables.
variables, sir.
Y and x are variables. Y and x are variables. So if I say, then tell me from this equation, whatever we have drawn here, Which one will be y and which one will be x? Which one will be y and which
The
one?
y will be rise.
What is that? What shall I say that? Y will be rise means what? I'll say
RJ.
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 Very good. Very good. RJ. So RJ is equal to m into x. M is my
RM.
coefficient. M is my coefficient. Hello. M is coefficient or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
M is coefficient. This M is coefficient. Otherwise, this M is what?
Slope.
Slope.
So x is what then? X in this form I find Rm plus C. So that means my return from the stop, try to understand, return from the stop is dependent upon what?
Return from market.
Return from the market. The return from the market. That means this is my which variable? Who is dependent upon whom?
RJ is dependent upon
RJ.
Rj is dependent upon Rm. Very good. That means which is a dependent variable, which is the independent variable?
RJ is dependent, RM is
Rj is the dependent variable, Rm is the independent. And this is nothing but my slope. Otherwise, this is nothing but known as my what? Slope. I said na slope or what then? Slope or beta. Do you get my point? The concept of beta? Huh? You have to read. You have to read whatever I have done here. You have to read, and again you have to think, and then you can ask me if you have any issues here. Okay. So the line which I have drawn here is which line?
Characteristics line.
The characteristics line. So characteristics line says about the slope or the beta, and the beta is found out. You know how the beta mathematically you can find out. The beta is mathematically you can find out like beta is equal to covariance Rj Rm. क्या लिखा हूं मैंने? Covariance beta is equal to covariance Rj Rm divided by sigma square m. What? Beta is equal to covariance Rj Rm divided by sigma square m. तो उसका मतलब क्या है? Beta is equal to covariance of Rj Rm. Are they not varying with each other? When I am putting into the graph, you see how one is varying with the respect to the other one. Clear or not? One is varying with respect to another one. So mathematically, if I want to find out beta, then Rj Rm divided by sigma square m. Can you find out with the help of this one? Sigma square m, can you find out? Tell me with all confidence, can you find out the sigma square m? Hello? Can't you find out sigma square m? Can you find out sigma square j? Sigma square j का मतलब क्या है?
The standard deviation of stock.
No. Sigma square j is what? Standard deviation is what? Sigma. Sigma square is
Variance of J.
variance of the stock. Variance of the stock. So can you find out this? Can you find out the standard deviation of the stock?
Yes, sir.
अरे एक ही yes बोल रहा है. We have already found out the standard deviation of
Yes,
the
sir.
asset.
Sir. Yes, sir.
What you are thinking?
Yes, sir.
You are making me confused. I am thinking that whether I have taught you to find out the standard deviation or not. You are completely silent. Once I am asking a question, you are completely silent. You have already found out the standard deviation of a particular stock. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, if the return of a portfolio or return of the market is given, from the return of the market, you can find out the standard deviation of the market return and the variance of the market return. Hello. Likewise, covariance, already we have studied how to find out the covariance. Okay. So with the help of that, you can find out the beta of the market. Right now, I'm not getting into all this things, because next higher level of study you will be doing in your securities analysis, portfolio management. But right now I am keeping the discussion of beta here only, and after that we'll go to the last thing, which is the expected return in the market. Expected return from a stock. Because expected return from the stock. Expected return from the stock. Okay. Are you getting my point? So how to find out the expected return from the stock? If you go to the document is saying you something. See the document, what is written there. Expected return of the stock कैसे लिखा गया है? थोड़ा देखो document देखो, मुझे बताओ. क्या लिखा है? Expected return from a stock क्या लिखा है? बोलो, expected return from a stock क्या लिखा है? अरे देखो यार, वहां पे लिखा है, अरे आदर्श खंडा. क्या देख रहे हो तुम खंडा देख रहे हो क्या? ठंडा पी के खंडा देख रहे हो आदर्श?
यस सर.
देखो डॉक्यूमेंट निकालो. What is written there? Expected return from a stock. How the expected return of a stock has been found out? कैसे, क्या लिखा है डॉक्यूमेंट में? क्या लिखा है? एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न ऑफ द स्टॉक. प्राची, व्हाट गॉट एग्जॉस्टेड?
Sir, I'm having fever, so.
Tell me, what is the expected return of a stock? How do you find out the expected return of a stock? अरे वो लिखा है, डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ो थोड़ा.
Probability of
कौन से पेज में लिखा है? आप तो पढ़े नहीं, क्या करोगे? एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न ऑफ द स्टॉक क्या लिखा है? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी व्हाट वेयर इट इज रिटन? एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न ऑफ स्टॉक कैन बी फाउंड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मॉडल, कैपिटल एसेट प्राइसिंग मॉडल और CAPM. लास्ट को देखो, लास्ट को. है ना? नहीं तो now expected return, how to find out that expected return? Once you find out the expected return, then with the probability you multiply to find out the return, expected return. But here expected return of a portfolio or expected return of a stock. So here how to find out the expected return? How to find out the expected return? The expected return formula is what? पढ़ो यार, कोई तो पढ़ो. उसको सब ऐसे देख रहे हो कि जैसे कि क्या लिखा है? लास्ट पेज को जाओ ना.
PI into RI.
पेज नंबर 10 को जाओ. कुछ आप देखते नहीं हो. नथिंग यू सी. डू यू सी? पेज नंबर 10 क्या लिखा है?
return on risk-free. Return on risk-free asset minus beta times of expected return of market portfolio minus return on risk-free asset.
Yes. ये लिखा है क्या? Expected return from a stock. Suppose somebody is asking. Now people have started thinking how to find out the expected return. So in order to find out the expected return of a stock, some economist, they proposed a model to find out the expected return of a stock. That model is known as CAPM model. Again, in security analysis, portfolio management, you will thoroughly study that, but this is the beyond of the scope of this particular section. We will not cover that. Only I am giving you that model. That model is what then? Expected return from the stock, that is I, is equal to what? Is equal to what? Return from RF, return from
Risk-free assets.
very good. plus RM minus RF. RM क्या है? RM क्या है? Already we have just now discussed.
Expected
Return from market.
Return from the market, not expected return from the market. This is return from the market. This is return from the market. Return from the market. I am finding out the expected return from a particular stock. I am taking risk-free rate plus return from the market minus risk-free rate. Return from the market minus risk-free rate multiplied by beta I. Beta I. Okay. So that means return from the market risk-free rate beta I. This RM minus RA. This RM minus RA. RM minus RA is equal to known as risk premium. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
risk premium.
That means how much more RF का concept मैंने दिया था आपको. I have given you RF concept of RF. Concept of RF. RF क्या है? क्या है RF?
Rate of return from risk-free assets.
Very good. Rate of return from a risk-free asset. Very good. So that asset can be given example of rate of risk-free asset. हाँ बोलो.
FD.
FD बस. Very good. FD. और एक क्या? हाँ.
Treasury bills.
Very good. Treasury bills. Very good. Treasury bills which are issued by the government. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. They are issued by the government. So that means they are risk-free asset. Plus RM minus RF. RM is how much the market is giving me. The market is giving me. And how much the market is giving more than my risk-free asset. How much the market is giving more than my risk-free asset. It's nothing but what?
Premium.
Risk premium. So anything which is more than the risk-free asset is my risk premium. Yes or no? Hello. We have
Yes,
already
sir.
discussed. Anything beyond the risk-free asset, any return more than the risk-free asset is my risk premium. So this is nothing but my risk premium. And this risk premium is multiplied by what then?
Beta I.
Beta I. Beta I. Beta I is what then? Beta I is known as what?
Systematic risk.
Systematic risk of what? Of stock?
Invested.
Of stock I, because it is written beta I. So systematic risk of a stock I. So this model is known as what then? This model, we say this model as what model? अभी पता है?
CAPM.
CAPM model और CAPM model. Short form उसको बोलते हैं CAPM. Capital Asset Pricing Model. क्या बोलेंगे?
Capital asset pricing model.
Capital Asset Pricing Model. So what pricing model? Why we say that capital asset pricing model? This is what actually?
Expected return of the.
Expected return of I. So that means if I want to invest somewhere, I will try to find out the expected return of that stock. मुझे कितना मिलेगा? How much will I find out? So if I apply this model, if I apply this equation, and from this model, I can find out how much is my expected return from a particular stock. And the equation which you see right now, the equation which you see, what kind of equation it looks like? Tell me, what kind of equation does it look like? Hello?
Linear relationship.
Linear relationship. Again, this is a straight line equation. Fine. And the straight line equation which we did in case of this return from the market and return from the a particular stock, that line is a characteristics line. Here we are doing this again another this equation I am putting in the graph. The model is CAPM model. The model is CAPM model, but the equation which you see, that equation will come like this. It will be seen like this. Okay, so this is known as beta I. This is Ri. Again, same thing, same scope. This scope is beta. Here it is beta, and this line is known as SML line. That is security market line. This much you write. Nothing more do I need to tell you. This line is known as what then?
Security market line.
Security market line.
So can you shift the camera a little upwards?
Now.
Yes, sir.
इसको ऐसे लिख दो. तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इस चीज को कौन क्या बोलेंगे हम? Can anybody say me?
RF.
Very good. Very good. RF. This is the risk rate. This is the risk rate.
Sir. Sir, will be the x-axis will be the risk premium.
No, that is beta I. Beta I.
Sir, but in the equation x, sir, RM minus RF is the x, I think.
No, that is, you see, here you are finding out this equation is between what? The systematic risk and the required rate of return. Okay. The SML equation which you are finding out, that is risk. This is risk. Actually, this is what then? This is risk. This is risk. This is return. Agni, hello, Hansraj. This is risk and this is return.
Yes, sir.
And if this is risk, which kind of risk I have taken only? Which kind of risk I have taken only here?
Systematic risk.
I have taken systematic risk. Because unsystematic risk को हम छोड़ दिए ना. We are only concerned with only systematic risk. That systematic risk is nothing but my what?
Beta I.
And this is the risk and this is the return. So the relationship between risk and return, the systematic risk and return, is given by which equation?
SML.
SML equation, security market line equation. And the model which gives us this equation is known as what model? This model. This model is known as what?
CAPM model.
CAPM.
This much you remember. The relationship between required return and the systematic risk is given by an equation. That equation is SML equation, and the equation is before you, this equation. But the model which gives us the equation is nothing but CAPM model. Okay?
Yes, sir.
तो भी हम बोलते हैं सिक्योरिटी मार्केट लाइन और SML इक्वेशन सिक्योरिटी मार्केट लाइन. अभी लिखो, एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं, लिखो. ECRI, I'm dictating a question, you write, all of you write. ECRI, Pratiksha, Priyadarshini, same, 24. Santoshi, again you went out of air. 24 roll number. Amlan, Abhishek, roll number 7. 25.
Sir, video is on, sir.
देखो, ECRI Corporation is a holding company. ECRI Corporation is a holding company with 4 main subsidiaries. With 4 main subsidiaries. So one subsidiary one holding company is there. Do you understand between holding company and subsidiary company?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So holding company is having how many subsidiaries? 4 subsidiaries.
4.
The percentage of its capital invested, the percentage of its capital invested, the percentage of its capital invested. Okay, roll number 7, are you writing? Adi? Adi? Aditya?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here, sir. Sir, I couldn't switch on I had switched off my video for a while, sir. Sorry, sir.
Why? The percentage of its capital invested in each of the subsidiaries, and betas and their respective betas are as follows. Make 3 columns. First column you write subsidiary. Second column you write percentage of capital. First column is subsidiary. Second column is percentage of capital. Third column is beta. Got it, everybody? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then second row you write electric utility. Under percentage of capital you write 60%. Beta is 0.70. What do you understand from 0.70? Is it a risky stock or is it not so risky?
Not so risky.
Not so risky.
अरे वाह, मैं तो रो पड़ूंगा यहीं पे अभी, मैं रोया अभी. I have started crying. I got completely emotional. अच्छा, good. Cable company, percentage of capital 25. Beta is 0.90. Real estate development 10%. Beta is 1.30. International special projects 5. Beta is 1.50. Beta is 1.50. That means real estate development and international special projects. The beta says that what kind of projects are these?
Risky.
High risk.
These are risky projects. Okay. First calculate the holding company's beta. Calculate the holding company's beta. And next question is, if the risk-free rate is 6%, if the risk-free rate is 6% and market risk premium is 5%, and the market risk premium is 5%, what is the holding company's required rate of return? What is the holding company's required rate of return? Everybody wrote the question? Hello? Ah. $60.
Sir, can you repeat the second question?
Afsana, if the risk-free rate is 6%
Yes, sir.
and the market risk premium is 5%, what is the holding company's required rate of return?
So what is the percentage of capital of real estate?
10.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the expected return?
No, I'm not getting you. I'm not hearing you properly.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I'm not sure, but is the expected return 10.25%?
Very good. Not sure kya? You are bang on target, dear. Bang on
Or
target.
beta of the company 0.25.
Point?
85 average beta of the company.
Bah.
85 average beta.
0.85. Hello.
I was not sure of the process, so that's why I was sure.
No,
Sir. Okay, sir.
You are perfectly okay, dear. You are perfectly okay. You are absolutely correct. You are your answer is absolutely correct. Good, very good. So the
Thank you,
percentage,
sir. But I was not sure about the process.
I made you sure now. I made you sure. Why are you saying that I am not sure? Right now you told the answer. I said that you are perfectly okay. So now you are sure, Abranil. Anybody else? Akarsan. क्या आफरीन नहीं हो रहा है? आफरीन not able to do it?
Yes, doing.
Do it. The way we have found out the expected return, when the return is given and the percentage of investment is given, what we did? To find out the expected return, what we did? What was the process we adopted there? Afsana?
Yes, sir.
What process did we adopt there? Percentage of investment is given and a return is given. कैसे हम किए थे? Expected return कैसे निकाले थे तब? Percentage of investment multiplied by what? सब भूल गए? Electric utility, cable company, real estate development, international projects. These are the things. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Percentage of investment is here. How much?
60%.
Did I write correctly?
Yes, sir.
Then
0.25.
0.25. Okay, 25%. Then
0.1.
0.1.
0.1. Then
0.05.
0.05. अभी ये जो होल्डिंग कंपनी है, होल्डिंग कंपनी में कितना, how many subsidiaries are there? 4 subsidiaries are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is like in a portfolio, how many stocks are there?
4 stocks.
4 stocks are there. Very good. 4 stocks are there. So now the percentage of the investment is given in each and every subsidiary. Now the beta is given how much?
70.
0.7,
9.
1.3,
3.
then
1.5.
1.5. So in order to know the portfolio beta or the portfolio of portfolio of the holding company, what shall I do? I'll simply Could able to understand? What did I do? What did I do? The
Multiply.
percentage of investment multiplied by the
Beta.
Beta.
of first company, that is electric utility, plus the percentage of investment multiplied by the beta of the second subsidiary, plus the percentage of investment in that real estate development multiplied by the beta of that subsidiary, then plus multiplied by the investment here and the beta. So now give me what is the total, what is the beta of the entire portfolio or the holding company? Holding company का beta कितना है?
0.85.
0.85. Got it correctly, everybody? Afrin,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
very good. So that means this is the Aman. Did you get the answer? खाली मुंडी हिला रहे हो या आंसर you have got?
Yes, sir. I got the answer.
ओके नहीं तो ऐसे करके मुझे कुछ पता चलता है कि डू आई नो एनीथिंग वेदर यू हैव गॉट द राइट आंसर और रॉन्ग आंसर और यू हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग देयर अभिषेक गॉट द आंसर हेलो ऑल अदर्स प्रज्ञाश्री रोल नंबर 22 आकर्षण. Did you get the answer, Akarsan? 0.85. So 0.85 is the beta of what? Of the holding company. Holding company का beta आ गया 0.85. Everybody has got it or not? Prachi, Arun, Dibesh, got it? संतोषी नहीं हुआ, नहीं हो रहा है. अरे हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है ये भी बोलने में आपको हर्ज है.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting difficulty in saying whether yes or no? I am really confused. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aniket. Aniket.
Yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी बीटा आ गया. Then it is saying if the risk-free rate is 6% and the market risk premium is 5%, what is the holding company's required rate of return? In order to get the required rate of return, which equation will you take the help of? Which equation?
CAPM. CAPM.
Or SML equation, model CAPM, you will use the model CAPM model. Use that model and give me the answer. What will be the model then? Arun, tell me, if I write all the, if I plug in the figures in that model, what will be written there? Tell me that. Arun, tell me, if I plug in the figures in that model, how the model will be looking like? Yes, Arun? Tell me, Arun. Arun, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Come on, quickly.
Sir, 0.1. Sir, 0.10. 0.1025.
0.1025.
Yes, sir.
No. Tell me the equation. I don't want the exact answer. Tell me the equation, Arun. What shall I plug in so that
6 plus
6 plus 6
5 into 5 into 0.85.
into
0.85.
0.85. So it is what then? 5 into 0.85 is
25.
6 plus 4.25 is equal to what then? 1.25%. So which equation did I put then? Expected return of the holding company is equal to RF plus RF minus RF. What is this RF minus RF? Risk. Hello. Risk
Premium.
Premium.
multiplied by the beta of which one? Beta of the
Holding company.
beta of the holding company. Beta of the holding company I have already found out with the help of the previous calculation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the beta of a portfolio is nothing but the investment in one asset, the proportion of investment in one asset, and multiplied by the respective beta of that stock. In that way, you can find out the portfolio beta. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes, sir.
portfolio beta, if I write the portfolio beta equation, portfolio beta of a portfolio is equal to what? Summation I equal to 1 to n Wi beta. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So if that is the case, so that means what? 0.7 into 0.6 plus बोलते जाओ, sorry, 0.6 into 0.7, 0.25, 0.25 into 0.9 plus
0.1 into 1.3.
1 into
1.3.
0.3.
1.3 plus
0.05 into
0.05 into
1.5.
1.50.
the equation, is it getting fitted to
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, you got the portfolio beta. Once you get the portfolio beta, simply you take the CAPM model and find out the expected rate of return. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right, in that same question you write. Atul, did you get it or not? Could you able to solve it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Pratik? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है प्रतीक? हाँ, प्रतीक मोदी। अभी तो एक ही नाम हर जगह गूंज रहा है. One name is reverberating everywhere. Modi, 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 and the Modi. And you are Pratik Modi. I can say that you are understanding less because you are not putting your mind into the study. That is the reason why you are not able to understand. Am I correct, Pratik? Pratik, am I correct? अरे बोलो यार, मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूं तो आंसर दो. This is bad manners. हाँ, स्विच ऑन नॉट स्विच ऑन वीडियो ऑडियो ये तो चलता रहता है. ठीक है. So now I am reframing the question again. Third bit लिखो. Question का third bit लिखो. Now somebody else will give me the answer. Now the company is considering, ECRI is considering a change in its strategic focus. It is considering a change in strategic focus. It will reduce its reliance. It will reduce its reliance on the electric utility subsidiary. It will reduce the reliance on electric utility subsidiary, comma. So the percentage of its capital in this subsidiary will be reduced to 50%.
Can you repeat?
So the percentage of its capital in this subsidiary will be reduced to 50%. At the same time, it will increase its reliance on its international special projects division. At the same time, it will increase its reliance on the international or special projects division. So the percentage of its capital in that subsidiary will rise to 15%. So the percentage of its capital in that subsidiary will rise to 15%. So the percentage of its capital in that subsidiary will rise to 15%. What will be the company's required rate of return be? What will the company's required rate of return be after these changes? After these changes. Pragyasri, you will tell me the answer this time. Okay? Pragyasri will tell me the answer.
So holding company's rate of return.
Pragyasri, tell me.
So doing
Doing. Quickly do.
Sir,
No. Who is saying? Who is saying what? Are you saying the answer?
yes, I was going to say the answer.
Who? Abranil?
Sir, Adarsh.
Others? कहाँ हो others? मैं तुमको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Where are you others?
Sir, here.
Others. Oh, great. Others, tell me the answer.
So shall I put it in the chat box?
No. You tell me. Now I can see. I can hear you.
So 10.65.
Very good. 10.65. Very good. What is the portfolio beta? So holding companies beta?
Sir, 0.93.
0.9. Pragyas, did you get the answer? Pavani, Pausali, Chaitya?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Everything is same. Only some percentage changes has happened. Kya? Ananya? Or what's your name? Anindita? Roll number one. What's your name? Most of the time, Anindita.
Yes,
Most of the time you switch off your video, Anindita. Aniket, Anindita got the answer?
yes, sir.
Very good. Kritisri? Hello, Kritisri. So the expected return, we have got the, you can say this one. All of you have got the answer, or shall I again do it for you? Because once I have done one same thing I have done, here only the percentage has been changed. Only the percentage has been changed. Okay. Arun got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you have done. Tell me what have you done? Tell me what have you done, Arun? Tell me quickly. What exactly you have done? What are the figures have you plugged in? Tell me quickly.
Sir, R11.
Only numbers. You go on telling me the numbers.
I know.
Arey Arun, tell me here, how much time shall I wait for you to tell? This is insane, dear. Tell me. Tell me whether have you done it or not, first of all. Yes or no? Have you done it or not?
No, sir.
No, then why did you say yes? Why did you say yes? Why are you displaying your personality? Is this good? Tell me, is this good? You have not done, but you are saying I have done. Atul, have you done it, Atul?
No, sir.
अरे अभी बोला अभी किया मैंने आप बोल नहीं आप कर नहीं पा रहे हो I don't understand this is same thing I have done for you. Biswajit, have you done it?
No, sir, I'm doing sir the last part.
क्या यार इतना छोटा सा चीज को आप इतना टाइम लोगे तो कैसे चलेगा यार कैसे चलेगा अगेन आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू वंस बहुत छोटा सा चीज है करो अतुल करो अरुण करो डू इट एंड टेल मी Hansraj, did you do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me the figures. What figures have you put in?
Sir, sir, in the percentage.
No, हाँ okay ठीक है percentage करो और decimal करो कोई problem.
Sir, sir, first the beta will calculate by 15 to 0.7.
Very good.
Plus 25.
50%.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Plus 25 into 0.9.
अरे 25% बोलो 0.25 बोलो 25% बोलो into 0.9 okay.
Yes, sir. Plus 10% into 1.3.
Very good.
Plus 15% into 1.5. It will come 0.93.
Very
0.93.
good. And then
expected return will come.
Atul and Arun, whatever he is saying, you just write it. Next is
expected return will come 6 plus 5 into 0.93. It will come 10.65.
10.65. Okay. All of you got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Akarsan, हुआ?
जी सर.
हाँ. Akash. Pragyasri, could you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
10.65.
What are the figures? Tell me again. What are the figures? What figures have you plugged in the formula? Come on, Pragyasri, quickly.
Sir, expected return is equal to 6.5 into 0.93.
Expected return is equal to
6.5 into 0.93.
6.5 into 0.93 will give you 10.65%. Do that. Let us see how we are doing. 6.5 into 0.93. You have not done it, Pragyasri.
Sorry, sir.
You have not done it. Have you done it? Tell me, yes or no. Honestly, tell me. Have you done that? Have you done that question correctly or not? Tell me, Pragyasri.
आधा क्यों?
आधा किए तो क्यों बोल रही हो कि मैंने कर दिया? Why are you saying?
Sorry, sir.
What's going on? If you do not say, if you have not done it, say me, yes, I have not done it. But you are saying yes. When I ask you are giving a different answer. Are you playing or what? All of you did it. Biswajit, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly one, do it. Quickly, last one you do. After that, we will wrap up. Given the following information, determine the beta coefficient for stock J. Given the following information, determine the beta coefficient for stock J. Stock J. So the required rate of return is equal to 12.5%. RJ is equal to 12.5%. RF 4.5%. RM 10.5%. Prageshri, you tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. This one you will tell me.
Sir, can you please repeat it?
Required rate of return of stock J 12.5%, risk-free rate 4.5%, and market return is equal to 10.5%. Prageshri, tell me the answer. क्या प्रज्ञाश्री हुआ? प्रज्ञाश्री, वर्षा, डूइंग, देवी वंदना, डूइंग, आकर्षण, अभिषेक,
Sir,
who is saying? Who is saying?
Hansraj. Hansraj.
Hansraj. Wait. You have already spoken once. You have already given. Option. Tell me option. How much answer you have got? What is the answer you have got?
Sir, I'm doing.
Excuse me, sir.
Who is saying? Chaitya?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, beta equal to 1.33.
Very good. Very good. Beta is equal to 1.33. Have you got? All of you have got that one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell Chaitya, what is the equation? What equation have you put? Tell me, Chaitya.
Sir, 12.5 equal to
Yes.
4.5 plus
Yes.
beta whole into 10.5 minus 4.5.
Minus 4.5. Required rate of return. Expected rate of return is equal to, or the expected rate of return is equal to risk-free rate plus beta into 10.5 हो गया मेरा इस return from the market minus risk-free into beta. तो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के बाद कितना आया ये? क्या गया 4.5 plus 6 beta. So 12.5 is equal to 4.5 6 beta. ये हो गया मेरा 8 is equal to 6 beta और beta is equal to 8 by 6 is equal to 1.3. ठीक है. So what is the inference then? खाली beta निकालने से कोई मतलब नहीं है. उसका inference क्या है then? What kind of stock it is?
High risk stock.
Aggressive.
It is risky stock. It is a risky stock or an aggressive stock because the beta is 1.33, which is more than the market portfolio beta, which is
1.
1.
ठीक है. थोड़ा पढ़ो उसको, जो मैंने बताया आज ना सब उसको थोड़ा जाके फिर से रिविजिट करो. वो रिविजिट करने से next time when you come to the class will be better. But I am putting an end to the risk and return. Next time we'll be going for valuation of securities. A new chapter we will start with, but this is the minimum or basic foundation thing I have given you in the form of about risk and return. Correct? Now this answer all of you have got. Others got the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remember the equation I am telling you here, the required rate of return. Try to remember this required rate of return. This required rate of return will come very much in the next discussion. Required rate of return. Required rate of return. जो मुझे चाहिए, कितना मुझे requirement चाहिए. ठीक है. Section A, roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.